Emerging technologies like agentic AI is so important to businesses, how they perform, how they think about their future business structure and their organisation. The deep expertise that Data3 are going to walk away with today is really the art of the possible. Anything that they can dream of, they can now do.
It's not following the waves of innovation, it's actually creating the waves. It's looking at how do I bring new waves of productivity to my business, embrace AI, transform our organisation to remain more competitive, to be more profitable, and often to bring better services to customers or citizens, depending on the industry that you're working.
AGI fundamentally change every single process in every single organisation today, with or without us realising that. The businesses really jumping and embracing AGI are able to transform their businesses in a fundamental way.
We're Microsoft's biggest partner in Australia. They're delivering the technology set, but they really do rely on us to go deep with the services and help customers actually understand and deploy within their environments.
And we are so fortunate to have Data3 in country and able to work face to face in a time that so many things are changing.
We're known for being a fantastic infrastructure partner, providing PCs, networking, data center, and the software that sits on. With agentic AI now, we've got an opportunity to work with our customers, understand their business processes and workflows, and help them to automate that. So for us, it really is a new opportunity in a very rapidly growing market.